Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com, and today we're just doing a very quick comparison between two very popular Day-Date 40s. On my left here we have the Day-Date 40 228239, which is the white gold version, and on my right here we have the 228235, which is the rose gold version, or how Rolex likes to call the Ever Rose. Okay. Specifically, I just wanted to let you see the comparison between the two different colors of the watch. The only difference between these two watches is just the material type. So white gold, very beautiful on my left, rose gold, very beautiful on my right. Bracelets. If you're interested in an in-depth review of these watches, they both have their own standalone videos on our YouTube channel that you can check out. But some people have requested that we compare the Ever Rose Gold versus the white gold version of the Day-Date 40s. One thing I do want to mention is that the Day-Date 40 in the white gold with the blue dial can come in the green style dial of the Ever Rose Gold version. However, it's not the same for the Ever Rose Gold to blue. You cannot get blue on the Ever Rose Gold version. Okay, so very quickly here, once again, so the dials side by side, very beautiful blue with white gold hour markers. Olive green on the right, beautiful rose gold hour markers. To the bracelet, very beautiful president bracelet. The retail pricings of these watches are the exact same. You're looking at $37,550 plus tax if you're looking to buy this from an authorized retailer. However, at JazTime.com we always strive to have the lowest prices anywhere online. So check our website for the most up-to-date pricing for these Day-Date 40s. Show you the sides. Okay. So if you're interested in any of these models for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed, and we provide a 1-year warranty. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.